The Arcadia Preparatory School would like to invite you to join us for an evening with 7 billion ideas to talk about the importance of an enterprise within education with our entrepreneur in residence, David Harkin. In years to come, our current pupils will become this generation of health professionals, teachers, lawyers, and follow many other professions. However, one area that is so often overlooked in schools is the area of entrepreneurship. In many countries around the world, there are differing statistics regarding national employment in relation to entrepreneurship, but it would be fair to say that between 10 and 15% of any successful economy is made up of individuals who are self-employed, who are entrepreneurs. Many others are intrapreneurs, which is someone who acts like an entrepreneur but within a corporate or public profession. Therefore, it's our responsibility to unlock this entrepreneurial spirit as soon as a pupil enters our school, which is why we are proud to partner with 7 Billion Ideas to encourage our pupils to think big and dream big about the possibility of their ideas becoming a reality. We aim to give every pupil the skills to act on their ideas and to help them flourish. We would love to invite you to an evening with 7 Billion Ideas on Sunday, 8th of January at 6:30 p.m. to learn about what they do, how they should be working with your child, and why entrepreneurship is so important in education. We hope to see you there.